Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I have just received a very big box from Nykaa and I thought of unboxing it with you guys. It says Nykaa Wali Shadi. This is from their campaign called Nykaa Wali Shadi and they have sent me a lot of products and I wanted to show you guys what all they've sent, and I also want to try out a few with you guys, whatever I can try, because some products are really interesting. So I want to actually unbox this with you guys. So let's do it. Every time Nykaa sends a box, it's a curated box of a lot of products and you can see all the amazing products that are part of this. It's got makeup, it's got lipsticks, it's got hair care, a lot of hair care products and a lot of new products that I've never tried, so I'm really interested to try them. I have nothing on my skin right now except obviously my skincare, and my hair are damp because I washed them. So let's quickly get into this. First is this fashion color. I've never heard of this. Volume Lash Crush. Oh, liner mascara. Okay, I've never heard of this brand honestly, so this is going to be a first. This is basically a mascara and a liner from a brand I've not heard of. Okay, then I have the Hyphen sunscreen. This is SPF 50. It's got cacao plum, niacinamide, kojic acid and ceramides. So this is the next one. Next, I've never used razor on my skin, but if I have to, this is a brand I've heard a lot about. This is the Carmesi facial razor for women, and I know so many great skinned women who actually just use razor on their skin. So if you have facial hair, this is something that's great. It's got an anti-slip grip, zigzag blade, and it's got, I think, three razors. It's instant and it's painless, and yeah, it's got three, and this is how the razors look like. I've heard a lot about Carmesi, and this definitely is a great product for someone who uses razors on their skin. This is priced at $250 for three. I personally have never used razors on my skin, though I do have facial hair, but I think avoiding as much as I can. Then I have the Dermaco Vitamin C Face Serum. This also I've used before. It's for skin radiance. It's got niacinamide, vitamin C, day and night you can use this. This is a good product. I think I gifted it to my mom and she uses it. Then we have the Streaks Hair Serum. It's a gloss hair serum. I like Streaks products and I've used this before. So since my hair are damp, I don't mind using a hair serum. Oh, it smells really nice. So just towards the ends, this is something you can use especially before styling or using a straightener or a blow dry. This is amazing. Two Wish Care products, and I've never used Wish Care products before, so I'm really interested in trying this. One is their niacinamide oil balance sunscreen and the other is the barrier bounce moisturizer. Both of these I've not tried, so I'm actually going to do a separate video in trying out Wish Care products. There's something very interesting. This is a brand called Paradise. They basically have an instant root tint powder. Now I'm very interested in something like this because I do have grays and it's an interesting product. This is how it looks like. For covering grey roots, this is an instant root tint. This is how the product looks like. So you open it and this is the product. There's a mirror also. Wow. Okay, and oh wow. So this is how you use it. You open this up, you apply this like this, and you... Right now my hair are damp, so I'm not going to do it, but let's try. Okay, this is how it is. I never used something like this. And wow, it does cover the grays. I've taken very little, but instant touch up when you have to head out and you don't have time. Not bad at all. I definitely need something like this in my life, so interesting. This is priced at 645 rupees. Not bad. Very interesting, guys. It actually covered my grays. I have something very interesting. I've been meaning to try this. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist, and I've heard a lot about it. I'm going to definitely try it next time. I do have slight curls. These are not curls actually. I have wavy hair. These are my original hair, guys. No bad hair days. This is Fix My Curls Goodbye Grease Dry Shampoo. Now this is something I definitely need because a lot of times I don't have the time to wash my hair and I've been meaning to buy a dry shampoo. Let's see, I've heard a lot about Fix My Curls and their product. So this is a dry shampoo from them. Next I have two products from the same range from Streaks. This is the Bot Brazil shampoo and this is the Bot Brazil mask. These are both for chemically treated hair, specifically no sulfate, no paraben. and enriched with vital oils and vitamin E. So yeah, it's a shampoo and hair mask, and I love masking my hair because I prefer using a hair mask over a conditioner always. So this looks interesting. Even tone underarm mist. Wow, this is interesting. Asaya, this is a brand called Asaya. I've heard a lot about them also. Brighten and restore even tone to hyperpigmented underarms. Now this is also something I want to try. Treats discoloration and pigment imbalance, which we all need, especially for our underarms. So this is a very interesting product. This is basically specifically for hyperpigmentation on your underarms. So interesting. Moxie, I have loved this brand for their flyaway fixing gel that I have. Now I have 3 products from Moxie, and I'm actually liking this brand a lot. First one, most importantly, is their wax styling stick. Strong hold and sleek finish. Especially this is called the headliner. Oh my god, especially if you want to do a sleek pony, these are the kind of products you need. I am definitely trying this out soon. Firefighter heat protection spray. This is basically damage defense and lasting shine. So this is also basically a heat protection spray before styling your hair. So definitely looking forward to trying this. It's got hydrolyzed barley protein and argan oil. Wow, the ingredients look very interesting. Last, something I'm very interested, these kind of tools are very interesting. Hair finishing brush for the perfect sleek bun and pony. Oh my god, I need this. Updos and all. This is basically for those sleek buns and updos. This is a hair finishing brush by Moxie. Definitely something we all need. Next is this one, Nykaa Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris Hair and Body Mist. Oh my god, I love their mist. This just smells really good. I've actually used this. I have this from before. This smells really, really, really nice. I love it. So yeah, this is a body mist and I love it. It smells so nice, floral and very good. Next I have the Makeup Revolution Fix and Glow Ultra Glow Fixing Spray. Basically it's a glowy fixing spray you apply on your makeup. Very interesting. I've used this before, I feel, but I love using fixing sprays on my face. Then I have Secret Alchemist. This is the Secret Alchemist perfume. It's in Madurai Jasmine. I have attended the launch of this brand. It's very, very, very nice. Their fragrances are enriched with essential oils and they're so good. Essential oil blended and handcrafted from plant-based essential oils and blended in grain-derived alcohol. Wow, very interesting. These are basically toxin-free perfumes and clean perfume. Basically this is one of India's first clean perfume brand called Secret Alchemist. You must give this a try. Next up we have a perfumed hair oil, Osmanthus perfume hair oil. Oh my god, I've never heard of something like this. Perfumed hair oil. Wow, very interesting. We'll take it out a little. Yeah. It smells so good. My god, this is one of the best smelling hair oils I've ever experienced. Oh my god, because usually hair oils are like very oil based and this don't smell that great. This smells amazing. I have a hand cream by Cremica called Viva. It's got marigold and turmeric hand cream. Okay, this looks great. Sorry, it's taped up. I'll open it later, but this is the hand cream. Then we have the lipstick by Mamaearth. It's their Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick. Let's swatch these at least. This is avocado and vitamin E. This is Mamaearth, and oh, the shade is really pretty. This is their matte lipstick. Wow, the shade is damn good, guys. Love it. This formula of Mamaearth, it's Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick with avocado oil and vitamin E. The color is stunning. Then I have Pilgrim. This is their Dubai Bling Glitter Lipstick. Wow, what is that? This is how it looks like. Oh my god, it is actually super blingy. Can you see? Let's see how this bling looks. Swatches. Oh wow, it's a beautiful shade, guys. Again, a matte, creamy matte texture, and it's got glitter particles in it. See that? Wow, anyone who wants a glittery lip, Pilgrim really has nice lipsticks. Then we have Sugar Cosmetics Glide Peptide Plumping Gloss Stick. The Plumping Gloss Stick by Sugar. Oh, you know, this is the formula. These are non-retractable gloss sticks. Oh yeah, I think MAC also has something like this. These are like lip balmy kind glosses. They're tinted glosses. Very nice formula actually. Etude has one of my favorites, new shades, Mocha Mantra. This I attended the launch of these new India inspired lip tints, fixing tints by Etude. They are damn good. The formula is great. Look at that. This is the shade Mocha Mantra, and if you're into browns, this is a stunning formula and stunning color to have. Next I have Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Voyager. Wow, a lot of amazing lip swatches here. Oh wow, anyone who likes a deep wine shade, this is a great color, and the formula is also very interesting. I have Mars. This is the Queen of Matte set. I am very interested in this. This is the Queen of Mattes. I think it's a lipstick set. This is the last product from this huge Nykaa box. And oh wow guys, look at the colors. They look so nice. Color, I love the packaging, and honestly Mars has been quite a surprise, their products. Oh wow, the formula is so good, amazing. I love it. Such a nice shade. So you see such amazing textures today. I've shown you guys. Etude is also amazing. This is Maybelline. This is the Pilgrim one. This is the which one is this one? This is the Mamaearth one. This is amazing, Mars, and it comes as a set of 3, which is great. 3 nude shades, priced at $4.99 for 3. Interesting. That brings me to the end of this video. All of these products look amazing, and yeah, Nykaa Wali Shadi. This is what this box had. Hope you like it.